What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. You guys, I'm here at the Doll-Re location. Yes, the Doll-Re location. Look at that cute little snowman up here. And look at this, you guys. We have these brand new little like cup holder garbage cans for our cars, like for gum garbage or like straw garbage or whatever. We have black. They both have the same design. And then we also have, look, yellow and black. We have green and black and red and black. I really like the double black. It's just basically a cute little cup with a little lid that you push, and there you go. If that's your thing, or if you just like hate to look at trash and all that, those would be perfect. Super, super perfect. And they're brand new for the week. Also new for the week are these little paint sets. These are brand new. Brand new. It has a roller, a brush, a little tray, some plastic. Yeah, it's kind of flimsy, but it would be perfect for like a little touch-up job. Those are definitely brand new for the week. And we have other big rollers for painting. Super, super soft paintbrush. We have more paintbrushes. This one's a quarter because the other brushes are gone. We have shoe covers. We have a lot of things needed for home improvement, including the roll right covers. We also have this one here. I don't know much about painting, but all I can say is these are super fluffy and they are different. One is 0.86 centimeters. The other one is 0.96. What else is new? These are new, you guys. We're back to these where I started. These are brand new, and these were on sale at Walmart for quite a while. They were actually on clearance. It's the Boulder Clean brand. Me personally, if this is the one that was on clearance at Walmart for months, I smelled this one and I didn't like it. And even though the price was super low at Walmart, I didn't like it enough to get it. Again, this is the Boulder Clean brand. You get 28 ounces. That's quite a bit of product. I think this is new as well by the Tile Plus brand. This is the cleaning vinegar with Oxy. You get 40 ounces. 40 ounces. These are still here, and these are name brand. 24 ounces, the Works. Also name brand is Lime Away, 16 ounces. The Tidy Bowl, that's also name brand. Let's see if we have any other new sprays. A few videos back, we looked at things like this. That was perfect for the holidays. Spruce. There was also a cookie air freshener. We have the Love My Carpet, Hawaiian Passion, Apple Cinnamon, and Lavender Dreams. Also in one of my other stores, there was a Clean Linen. Clean Linen Love My Carpet. And then we have a bunch of Airwick scents down here. Magnolia and Cherry Blossom, Mango and Hibiscus, Lavender and Chamomile. We also have, what is this one? Fresh Waters. Here's what's in my cart right now. I have these cute little Christmas tree holders, like candy holders. I have some of this hard candy holiday mix. We have a bunch of cute new soaps. I just grabbed one to show you guys. We have these brand new ombre tote bags. They look pretty cute. I'm really not sure how sturdy they are. It says shopcamp.com. My store just has the one variety. I was thinking these might be good little like shopping bags for produce. I got a Tony's Creole seasoning, a chicken broth. We have 3 to 4 new flavors of these bubble cakes for the week. I grabbed mango. This is also new for the week. This little tray. I think it's so, so cute. And then these are also brand new for the week. At least they're new in my store. Winter Wishes, Jolly, Merry. We have the little reindeer. And then we have the cute little gnomes. Super cute. So that is what's in my cart right now. I want to take you guys to those little soaps. I think they're so cute. I think they'd be good little gifts, good little like stocking stuffers, just cute little gifts, period. These are also new. The baby bibs. We have a dinosaur. I think the elephant's been here. And then what are these? Oh, cotton twine. That's my first time seeing those. We have diapers, 4 diapers in a pack. In one of my other locations, we even had Dove baby wipes. I have not seen them here at this location though. You guys know how every store is different. So no Dove baby wipes in this location. Okay. Also, you guys, we have some cute little gift sets. Look at this. We have a dupe for Heavenly by Victoria's Secret. We have a dupe for Bombshell in Bloom. We have a dupe for Bath & Body Works Japanese Cherry Blossom. And we have a dupe for Island Kiss by Escada. You get a little eau de toilette spray, a ½ ounce, and 25 ml, which is a little more than 3/4 of an ounce of lotion. Yeah, I had to take my time and make sure I was delivering that correctly. We also have the hyaluronic acid serums and the moisturizing creams. These are brand new for the week. We also have these scented shower gels in coconut milk and rose and vanilla, as well as the body sprays. We have 2 new body sprays and 2 shower gels. I had this here earlier from my live, so I just came back to it. Okay, you guys, here we go with the soaps. So the soaps we have Winter Apple. We have Vanilla Bean. We have Lavender. This one is Winter Berry. And I think that's it. I think they're really, really cute. You get 2.8 ounces. They are really, really cute. Let's see if we have anything else new over here. Ooh, I like these. These are the glycerin soaps with the little loofah in them. I love glycerin soap. Raise your hand. Let me know in the comments. Who remembers the days when Bath & Body Works used to carry their scented glycerin soaps? I used to love those. I used to get those when my kids were really small, and they would get out stains like so well on baby clothes. You know, when babies are at that stage, you know the stage where everything goes up their back and really, really stains their clothes, like the days before they eat any food and they're just drinking milk, those days. Well, I used to use glycerin soap and it would get out the hardest stains ever. Glycerin soaps are really great for those sorts of stains. I really miss those soaps. Those were some of my favorite soaps. And I used to always get them at the semi-annual sale. Well, you guys, we have a lot more to look at, so definitely join me in my very next video. I'm going to be showing all of the varieties of these, as well as some other items. These little bubble cakes are kind of giving me Lush vibes. If you guys are a fan of Lush, but let's just say for such a fraction of the price. All right, you guys will join me in my very next video. You guys, we have a lot to look at. I can't wait to shop with you, so definitely come back and hit that little button and subscribe if you haven't yet. But all right, you guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.